Good afternoon. It is September the 16th, 2016, and time to wrap up our trading for the week and the day. We had two trades that we took in live in the E-mini. This trade right here, -3. This trade right here, +3 for a scratch for the day. But we came in wanting to sell 34s, 36s, sell one. We had a 25, 27 buy, then a 21, 20, 21, 22 buy, and I think the low is 23 right here. So again, really great trading before the market opens. This S, that S, either or is a winner. Mean green trade right here, winner. Retest failure, and we talked this. If we took 1 point on all these trades, I mean, it was a given. S, good for 1. Retest failure, good for 1. This trade was good for 3 or more. Scratch. This B was a scratch. This B right here, plus. That B was a plus. Double top. Any of those S's, plus. Monkey trade, plus. Retest failure, plus. So you got one loser here involved in early. The rest of them are all winners. The original assessment of the market: sell 34s to 36s, buy 25s to 27s. While not perfect, on the buy side, really gave you some good trades. So if you'll just take the trades, it'll put money in the account for you. How do I know if I'm right? You never do. How do you know where to get out? You never know exactly where to get out. Inside day on the E-mini trading range. On Monday we have housing market index. Have the FOMC next Wednesday. I don't see how they can raise rates. Bond market's telling us that they are. Okay, looking at the F2 screen on the E-mini. Right here, the sell is 32, 35, sell 1. 39, 44, sell 2. On the buy side, 26, 24, buy 1. Still think we're going down to 21.10 before the selling's over. And that's where the buys are. Now, the tendency for the stock market on Tuesday, the day before the FOMC announcement, is to start to rally. And we'll see if that holds true. If I wanted to make sure that the Fed wasn't going to raise interest rates, if I were large, the 5 banks deemed too large to fail, I would direct my prop trading operations to blast the market on Monday and Tuesday. Another thing we talked about, and I think, anytime Hillary falls in the polls, anytime Donald Trump gets a big bump, Wall Street is all in for Donald Trump and the status quo, and I think that had a great deal to do with some of the selling this week. That, like Trump might win, sell stocks. The game's no longer the same. Okay, inside day on the 10-year note. Looking for a place to trade it, long and short. Definitely a B with a double distribution down. Market was to close right here. No news. 15 to 19, sell 1. Like to get it done at 19. Try to get close to the top of that value area high. 23, 27, sell 2. On the buy side, 9 to 13. That's where support is. Then 1 to 5. On the 30-year, That was Peter. Apologize for the interruption. When God speaks, you have to listen, right? So, looking at the 30-year. First area of resistance is 28 to the buck. So 3 to 7, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. Pretty close to where we were today. On the buy side, 16 to 20 is number 1. 9 to 13, buy 1. 1 to 5, buy 2. I have a feeling the FMOC will hold us in trading range. Looking at gold. As you can see, every day I do the analysis the same way, look at the same stuff. You build a subconscious intelligence when you do that. Lower high, lower low, looking for a place to sell it. Definitely a B. So 5 to 7, buy 1. Stops below 1300, 1301, 1299, buy 2. On the sell side, we're here. So 14 to 16, sell 1. 19 to 21, sell 2. Okay, crude goes off the board on Tuesday. The roll is 2 days before expiration. OPEC has an interim meeting on September the 28th. Lower high, lower low, look for a place to sell it. Definitely a B on crude. So 44, 44 and a quarter, sell 1. 44.50, 75, sell 2. 43 and a quarter, 43.25, buy 1. Where we were today, 42.75, 43, buy 2. Like to buy at 42.50, but may not see that until, or have a chance to see that until expiration is behind us. And the euro. If the Fed raises interest rates next week, the euro's going to be down a bunch. Why? Because you can get paid money on your money in America. Lower high, lower low, look for a place to sell it on the F1 screen. That's kind of a no-brainer. My guess is they don't raise the interest rates. Very little in the way of lift, so 11.75, buy 1. 11.50, buy 2. On the sell side, $12.10, 12.20, sell 1. 12.40, 12.50, sell 2. And that's it for this week, folks. I will see you bright and early Monday morning. Have a great weekend. I'm going to reseed the yard, redo some beds, planting this weekend, watch a couple of football games, and that should be my weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend. Better than planned when it's all said and done, and I'll see you bright and early Monday morning.